I just finished my workout and I saw a comment on the channel asking about if I would recommend buying this car, and I want to talk to you guys about whether you should get an Audi A5. I'm just talking about my model B8.5 because this is a facelift, or you shouldn't. And I will tell you my main 7 reasons why I like this car. These are, and of course there will be a following video talking about why I don't like, 7 reasons why I don't like this car. The reasons why I like this car is that are, the first reason is about the, consumption. As mentioned before in other videos, I have no idea actually how much this car consumes. I have no freaking idea. But we can check, of course. I think this is my my average consumption, 10 kilometers per liter. I don't know if it is a good consumption or bad. I have no idea, because I don't want to be, rude or arrogant or something like that. But if I need the car, I will, I will pay the gas and and get out with it. This town is a fucking mess. You have no idea. So taking in consideration the prices of the fuel nowadays, I think this is a pretty economic car, I have to confess. And the second reason is regarding the financial part. Let's say I have not invested any money in this car since I've got it. I've got it from November 2024, and I think, as I said in my previous video, I changed the oil in the gearbox, the oil, of course, from the engine, the brake pads and the brake discs. And yesterday I got it from out of the shop, and I invested. I paid something like 300 euros for replacing the rear shocks, and that would be it. I don't know, maybe I was lucky with this car. I did not have any problem with it, and I have to confess that I'm really happy about this, because I was afraid of buying a second-hand car just because of this, because I was not sure that maybe I will get with problems and so on. But thumbs up, I had I made a lucky, I had a really lucky time. Another reason why I would recommend this car is coming with the 2-liter diesel engine is the gearbox. You may not say this, but I may not always say it, but the Multitronic 8+1 gearbox is a really good gearbox. It is very nice when driving in a town, because it has a really different way of operating. I have no idea how to explain how it operates, because I'm not a mechanic, but it is really smooth. I have no idea when I'm driving in which gear I am, and we can test it while putting it in sport mode or dynamic, I don't know. You have no idea when the gearbox actually changes gears, and I really enjoy this thing, because the previous car that I was driving was an automatic also, but the difference was that it was a dual clutch. I think just like the model in front of me, but it was a GT line. But it is a GT line. So as you can see, I'm in the first gear, second, third, and fourth. There was nothing that indicates that my gearbox was changing. Fifth, and I'm really impressed with it. Of course, if you will kick it down, it will change gears, but I mean, you don't always have to do it. You don't have to speed in a town where the speed limit is really down. You have to be really careful while driving, because you have to be always safe. Another thing that I like about this car is that it has a really big trunk. I'm not the type of guy that always, I don't know, carries a lot of things, you know, but I really like to have some big space. I don't know, I have to move something like a desk or something like that. I really want to have enough space in my car. I am really in love with the BMW E92, especially with the M3. Okay, but that's not the case. I really wanted to get the 335i, but one of the reasons why I don't like that type of car is because the rear seats do not go down, and it is a really small car, and not my type of car. I wanted to get 2 doors, but I figured out that I really need space in my car. I'm a pretty big guy. I need to, I don't know, I have long legs. I need to have a lot of space in my car. Okay. And of course, another reason why I really like this car is because of the suspension. I really like the suspension and how it works. It is a smooth one. Of course, this is not about. I think this is about this specific car because it doesn't have any mods. I wanted to get some better suspensions to lower it, but I'm not sure. I drive a lot in the town. There are a lot of potholes, and I don't want to scratch my entire car just because I want it a bit lower. So I'm really not sure about that type of tuning, but maybe in the future, who knows. Okay. Another reason why I really like this car is because I enjoy having some analog dashboard, just like this one, my indicators and however this is called. I really enjoy having them analog. I don't want to have them digital. I don't know why this display is enough for me. I have to install Apple CarPlay because I didn't install, and that's a pretty big no-no for me because I'm always listening to music, watching the waves and so on. But I really like having this round, big, I don't know, indicators in here and a small display where I can see my speed, I don't know, the Bluetooth connection and so on. That's enough for me for the moment. I don't want to have any big screen in here. I had the car before that everything was a display in here. I mean, it was okay, but I'm not quite a big fan. I'm really in love with the dashboard from I don't know, 2018, I think, Mercedes. It is similar to this, really round with chrome things around it, and I really enjoy them. And the last thing that I like about this car is regarding its outside aspect. Of course, this is a matter of choice. I tried to find a car that has an S-Line package on the outside because the basic model of this car, which is not S-Line, looks terrible from my point of view. It is very, I don't know, it doesn't look as good as this one. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is not a sports car or something like that, I wish, but it is enough for me. It is a bit low, it has the diffuser in the back, it has some side skirts. It is really nice. I don't want to change anything on the outside. I have to fix some scratches and so on, but I'm not sure for how long I will be keeping this car, and I'm not sure if I want to invest money in in modifying it and into doing things on it. And that should be it. If you ask me personally, I would definitely recommend buying this car. You have to check it, I don't know, on platforms like Car Vertical and so on. Check your car, check the kilometers, check, I don't know, any damage before buying such a car, and or I don't know, any car you want to buy. Just be sure before buying it, because there are a lot of scammers and there are a lot of guys that want you will sell you something that it is not true. So before buying a car, don't forget to check it anywhere possible, including to a mechanic. Before I bought this car, I talked to the seller and I told him that I would like to go to my mechanic and to check if, I don't know, everything is properly working with my car. This guy didn't let the old man cross. That's a bit rude. And of course, let's add another reason. It is a decent car regarding the performance and its sportivity. It's more than enough that you need. I would not need, and I don't think I would. I mean, I would like a more faster car, but this is quite good for me. See you guys in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.